Welcome to Biomedical Job Updates, USA and Canada. The University of Miami, UHealth Department of Clinical Engineering, role Biomedical Technician, Organization University of Miami, UHealth Department of Clinical Engineering, location United States, qualification high school diploma or equivalent, experience minimum 6 months of relevant. Contact the number displayed. About laboratories, location Alameda, CA, United States. Job role biomedical engineer. Qualification bachelor's degree with 10 years of experience in research in industrial or academic setting. Doctorate degree with 4 years of industry experience. For the further details, contact the number given. Danbury Hospital, location United States. Job position biomedical engineer. Qualification bachelor's degree in biomedical engineering, electronics or relevant engineering. Experience 0 to 3 years of experience. For further details, contact the number displayed. Abbott Biotechnologies, location Cambridge, MA, designation Process Development Associate, education requirement bachelor's degree in chemical engineering, biomedical engineering, biochemistry, biotechnology or related field. Skills required CGMP, cell culture translocation, laboratory experience. Francis Medical Care, location Cremona, Italy, role senior R&D engineer, qualification degree or similar education in bioengineering, mechanical engineering discipline, experience 7+ years of experience in a similar role. Email to the number displayed. Distal Motion, location Switzerland, role post-market surveillance specialist, work mode on-site, education requirements bachelor's degree in relevant field. Experience 5 years of hands-on experience in post-market surveillance, regulatory affairs or quality assurance in medical device industry. The Ottawa Hospital, location Ottawa, Canada, role biomedical engineer technologist, basic requirements electronics technologist diploma, 3 years of experience from accredited institution, minimum of 6 months relevant experience. Apply to the website displayed. Aliza Medco, location Markham, Canada, role biomedical engineer, sales representative. Job requirements college or university degree preferred, medical device sales field experience preferred, valid driver license with acceptable driving record. Job types full-time, permanent. Als Veterans Health Administration Medco, location Durham, North Carolina, designation Chief Biomedical Engineer, education requirement relevant degree in biomedical engineering or related field. Work schedule will be permanent, full-time. Subscribe for further updates.